everyone. And in today's lesson, we're going to talk about active and passive voice. So first, I'd like to ask our two guest teachers to introduce themselves.
My name is Teacher Active.
Well, welcome, Teacher Active, but you seem to be in the gymnasium. You seem to be riding a bike. What are you doing?
Yeah, but you told me I was going to be active, so I came to the gym to do some exercise.
Well, actually, I meant that you should speak using the active voice. You don't actually have to be active, but it's healthy, so why don't you continue? And let's ask our second guest teacher to introduce himself. Who are you? I can be called Teacher Passive, and passive voice will be spoken by me. Teacher Active, tell me something that you do every day.
I eat a banana every day. It's healthy.
Eat a banana? A banana is eaten every day. By who? By him. Take a look at this simple sentence. This sentence is in the active voice, and you can see it begins with a subject, in this case, the students. It's followed by a verb, which in this case is study, and then it finishes with an object, which is English. Compare this with the following sentence. English is studied by the students. In this case, the object of the sentence moves forward to become the subject. English, followed by a form of the verb to be, is studied, which is actually the past participle of the verb to study. And then, if necessary, you can add by the students. Now, you can use passive voice with all of the different tenses of English. So why don't we try a different tense? How about speaking about the future? Teacher Active.
I will eat a banana. Or I'm going to eat a banana.
And Teacher Passive? A banana will be eaten, or a banana is going to be eaten. How about present continuous tense? Teacher Active, what are you doing right now?
I'm eating a banana now.
And Teacher Passive? A banana is being eaten. So that was good. How about changing to the past tense, something that has happened already?
I ate a banana. I have just eaten a banana.
Yes, I saw that. A banana was eaten by me. Or a banana has just been eaten. Delicious it was too. And I also have one last question for both of you. Have you subscribed to my channel yet?
Yes, I subscribed last week.
Well, that's very good, Teacher Active. How about you, Teacher Passive?
Yeah, your channel
Has been subscribed to. Okay, that's good as well. Well, that's the end of today's lesson, but I will upload a new lesson next week. Another lesson will be uploaded shortly. Yes, that's right. But for today, everyone, thank you very much for listening.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.